Hi there, hope you're all doing well. With the release of the old world getting closer, I thought it would be time to work on some fantasy models. This is the Dwarf Trollseeker from Highland Miniatures. He was black and white zenithal primed, and I get started with all of that exposed skin using Barbarian Brawn as the base layer. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. Next up, I start highlighting the skin with Dwarven skin, bringing up all of those raised muscles just to add some definition. Finishing off the skin for now, I used Elven skin to bring up the uppermost edges of the muscles and just the definitions on the face. You can't really have a dwarf like this without them having bright orange hair, so I grabbed Fanatic orange and just base coated all of his hair with this. Getting started on his clothing, I went for burnt umber for his bottoms. It looks like there is some kind of torn shirt being held up by his belt. This gets a quick once over with British khaki. For his belt, I went with Dust Bowl for the base coat. Being a Trollseeker, he is carrying a troll head around. This gets a base coat with olive green, just to add some contrast against that orange hair. To add some more punch to his hair, I highlighted up with orange fire. This is one of those paints though that suffers really poor coverage, and it took a long while to actually get the coverage I want. For the teeth on the troll and the eyes, I went for Skeleton Legion. The severed neck and tongue of the troll get done with a boar hide as the base layer. Highlighting the troll head, I used golden olive for all of those raised areas. Adding some variation to the blood and the tongue, I grabbed Sanguine Scarlet. I want the hair to pop some more, so I grabbed Volcanic Yellow and highlighted up some of the strands and the tips. To add a highlight to all of his clothing, I used Griffon Claw. This is mostly just to save time instead of swapping out for different highlight colours. One main colour works fine for all fabric. Moving on to the metal parts, I start off with rusty gold for all of the detailing and the bracelets. For his axe, I went for Mythril blade. I also base coated the anklets ready for the gold later on. Finishing off the metal parts, I used AK Interactive's gold for the detailing on his axe and the anklets. Getting started on the washes, I washed all of his skin and clothing with flesh wash. For the troll head, I washed it with Necrosis green wash. The silver needed some love as well, so I washed it with Oblivion black wash. I wasn't sure what to do with the base, so for the time being I've washed it with battle mud wash, just to look like a dirty muddy cave. With the washes now dry, I fixed the skin with Dwarven skin, going over all of those raised areas and bringing the skin back up to a lighter tone. Some of the gold parts needed touching up, so I went back over these parts with rusty gold. And that will be it for the Dwarf Trollseeker. It's going to take a while, but at some point this guy is going to be the hero for my Dwarven army, so I need to get used to actually painting these orange colours. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. As always, you can check out a closer look of this mini on my Instagram page. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.